Hello. Today we're going to learn about the different parts of a plant. Just like our bodies have different parts to help us do different things, plants also have parts that help them live and grow. We're going to talk about the most important parts: the roots, stem, leaves, and flowers. First up are the roots. Roots are usually found underground. They act like tiny anchors holding the plant in place so it does not fall over. Roots also have another important job. They soak up water and nutrients from the soil, like a saw drinking a drink. The plant uses these things to grow big and strong. Next up is the stem. The stem is the plant's superhighway. The stem helps the plant stand tall and support the leaves and flowers. The stem also has tiny tubes inside that carry water and nutrients from the roots to the rest of the plant. And the stem carries food made in the leaves down to the other parts of the plants that cannot photosynthesize. Now, let's talk about leaves. Leaves are like tiny food factories for the plant. They usually are green because they contain something called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps the leaves capture sunlight. The leaves use this sunlight, water, and air to make food for the plant in a process called photosynthesis. Flowers are often the most colorful and beautiful part of a plant, but they're not just pretty. They have a very important job: making new plants. Flowers have special parts for this. Some parts make pollen, which needs to be moved to another part of the flower or a different flower to make seeds. Seeds can grow into new plants. After the flower does its job, it can make seeds. Seeds are tiny packages that have everything a new plant needs to start growing. Sometimes seeds are inside a fruit, like an apple or a tomato. The fruit helps protect the seeds and can also help to spread those seeds to new places. All these plant parts work together to keep the plant alive and help it grow. Roots anchor the plant and get water and nutrients. Stems support the plant, carry water and food throughout the plant. Leaves make the food, and flowers make seeds for new plants. Plants are amazing, and each part has a special role. So the next time you see a plant, remember all the amazing parts that are working hard to help it live and grow. From the roots in the ground to the flowers reaching for the sky, each part plays a vital role. Thank you for watching.